Welcome students. As you know, we are dealing with chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, and in the last lecture we studied how to solve problem sums. In this lecture, we will learn to solve some more different types of problem sums. So let us start with our lecture. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Suppose Meena received X notes of rupees 50 and Y notes of rupees 100. Now students, you know that if she is receiving one note, then she will have 50 rupees. If she is receiving two notes, then she will have 2 into 50, that is 100 rupees, right? So total amount received by her in terms of 50 rupees notes will be 50 into X, and similarly total amount received by her in terms of 100 rupee note will be 100 into Y. So in total the amount received by her will be 50x plus 100y, and in the first condition it is given that total amount is rupees 2000. So we get 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now here you can see that 50 is common in all the three terms. So we'll divide it by 50 and we will get x plus 2y is equal to 40, which is our first equation. Now in the second condition it is given that total notes she received is 25. Now we know that she received X notes of rupees 50 and Y notes of rupees 100, and total notes is 25. So our second equation will be X plus Y is equal to 25. Now using these two equations we have to obtain the values of X and Y. Let us solve it by elimination method. Here it is solved by elimination method, but you can solve it by either of the three methods. The answer will be same only. Now here the coefficient of x is 1 in both the equations. So it will be easy if we use elimination method. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we will get x plus 2y minus x plus y is equal to 40 minus 25. On solving we will get y is equal to 15. Now substituting value of y, that is y is equal to 15 in equation 2, we get x plus 15 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 10. Hence Meena received 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. Next question is, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So let X be the right answers Yash gave and Y be the wrong answers he gave. If he gives one correct answer, he will get 3 marks. If he gives 2 correct answers, he will get 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 marks. Now here we have supposed that he gave X correct answers. So total marks which he will get for correct answers will be 3 into X, and 1 mark is lost for giving one incorrect answer. So if he gives Y incorrect answers, then Y marks will be lost. And total marks he got in the test is 40, which will be obtained by subtracting the marks lost by giving incorrect answers from the marks obtained by giving correct answers. So our first equation will be 3x minus y is equal to 40. Now, if 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks have been deducted for each incorrect answer, he would get 50 marks. This is our second condition. So, according to it, the second equation will be 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Now here you can see that 2 is common in all the three terms. So dividing by 2 we will get 2x minus y is equal to 25, which is our second equation. Let us solve this equations by cross multiplication method. Students, you can solve by elimination or substitution method also if you want. For cross multiplication method, first of all we have to convert them in the standard form. So by converting the two equations in the standard form, we will get 3x minus y minus 40 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 25 is equal to 0. Here our a1 is 3, b1 is minus 1 and c1 is equal to minus 40. Similarly, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1 and c2 is equal to minus 25. Now using cross multiplication method, we get x upon b1 b2 c1 c2, that is equal to minus 1 minus 40 minus 25. Y upon c1 c2 a1 a2, that is equal to minus 40 minus 25, 3 2 is equal to 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2, that is equal to 3 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now on cross multiplying we will get x upon minus 1 into minus 25 minus minus 1 into minus 40 is equal to y upon minus 40 into 2 minus minus 25 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 1 minus minus 2 into 1. 2 into minus 1. So we get x upon 25 minus 40 is equal to y upon minus 80 plus 75 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 plus 2. That is x upon minus 15 is equal to y upon minus 5 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So x upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 1 and y upon minus 5 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So we get x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 5. Now we are asked to find total number of questions. So total number of questions is sum of number of correct answers he gave and number of incorrect answers he gave. That is x plus y, which is equal to 15 plus 5, that is equal to 20. So total 20 questions were there in the test. Next question. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. If the cars travel in same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So here we have to find the speed of both the cars. So let the speed of car starting from point A be x km per hour and speed of car starting from point B be y km per hour in such a way that x is greater than y, which means that car starting from A is faster than car starting from B. Now, if the cars travel in same direction and meet, they should be traveling in the direction from A towards B, as car is starting from A is faster than car is starting from B. Now here in the diagram it is represented that cars starting from A and from B are traveling in same direction and they are meeting at point P after 5 hours. So suppose the cars meet at place P after 5 hours when they travel in same direction. Then the distance traveled in 5 hours by car starting from A will be 5x kilometer. That is equal to AP. How? Students, you have studied in 9th standard that speed is equal to distance upon time. Making distance a subject, we get distance is equal to speed into time. Speed for car A is x km per hour and time is 5. So distance traveled by car A will be 5x in 5 hours, which is equal to AP. Similarly, distance traveled by car starting from point B in 5 hours will be 5y kilometer, which will be equal to BP. It is given in the question that both the cars are 100 km apart, which means that distance between point A and point B in the diagram is 100 km. So AB is equal to 100 km. From figure we can represent AB as AP minus PB. So AP minus PB is equal to 100. That is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Here you can see that 5 is common in all the three terms. So dividing by 5 we get x minus y is equal to 20, which is our equation number 1. Here, this diagram represents that both cars are moving in opposite direction. That is, A is moving towards B and B is moving towards A. And after 1 hour, they are meeting at point Q, which is our second condition. So, suppose the cars meet at place Q after 1 hour when they travel in opposite directions. So, distance traveled in 1 hour by the car starting from point A will be x kilometer. According to the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. That is x into 1, that is equal to x kilometer, which is equal to AQ. Similarly, distance traveled in 1 hour by car starting from B is equal to y kilometer, that is equal to BQ. Now we know that AB is equal to 100 kilometer. From figure, it is clear that AB is equal to AQ plus QB. So AQ plus QB is equal to 100, which means that x plus y is equal to 100, which is our equation number 2. Now we can use elimination method for solving these two equations. So add equation 1 and equation 2. We will get x minus y plus x plus y is equal to 20 plus 100. So 2x is equal to 120, which means that x is equal to 60. Substituting x is equal to 60 in equation 2, we get 60 plus y is equal to 100, which means that y is equal to 40. So the speed of cars starting from point A and B are 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively, under the assumption that x is greater than y. So students, let us see another question. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So here ages of Nuri and Sonu are compared before 5 years and after 10 years, and we are asked to find the present age of both. So let present age of Nuri be x years and present age of Sonu be y years. In the first condition, their ages are compared before 5 years. So if present age of Nuri is x years, then before 5 years her age was x minus 5. And similarly, before 5 years the age of Sonu was y minus 5. Now according to first condition, before 5 years Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu, which means that before 5 years the age of Nuri was equal to 3 times the age of Sonu. So x minus 5, that is age of Nuri before 5 years, is equal to 3 into y minus 5, that is age of Sonu before 5 years. So we get x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15, that is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, which is our equation number 1. In the second condition, their ages are compared after 10 years. So if present age of Nuri is x years, then after 10 years her age will be x plus 10 years. And similarly, after 10 years the age of Sonu will be y plus 10 years. So according to second condition, after 10 years the age of Nuri will be twice the age of Sonu, which means that after 10 years age of Nuri is equal to 2 into age of Sonu. That is x plus 10 is equal to 2 into y plus 10. So we get x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20, which means that x minus 2y is equal to 10, which is our second equation. Now again we will use elimination method to solve these equations, and for this subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We will get x minus 2y minus x minus 3y is equal to 10 minus minus 10. That is x minus 2y minus x plus 3y is equal to 10 plus 10, which means that y is equal to 20. Substituting y is equal to 20 in equation 2, we get x minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10. That is x minus 40 is equal to 10, which means that x is equal to 50. So the present age of Nuri and Sonu are 50 years and 10 years respectively. So students, this were some of the problem sums of your exercise. With this we conclude our lecture. We'll continue with other topics in the next lecture.